Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is a girl Mercy. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. If you're new to this channel, please, you're welcome. This is Lawyers Info Hub. Here I share tips to help you excel as a lawyer, a law student. You have interest in law, I give you tips that will help you become a better lawyer and build your career positively. So today I'm going to talk about the lawyer and court decorum together with mannerism. Now, as a lawyer, we have been trained to be diligent and respectful people. The practice takes a whole lot of training, and we through school we have been tutored to become learned people. Yes, that's what people call us, learned people, because it assumes we know everything, and that we're not just educated, we have gone beyond being educated. Now, even in law school, we are taught ethics, we're taught how a lawyer should behave, the do's and the don'ts, the rules of professional practice. Now, when we come into the real practice, it's expected that we show forth or display these things that we have been taught. Now, as a lawyer, you must understand the mannerism of the court. You must understand decorum expected of you to exhibit at every point in time as a lawyer. Now, as a lawyer who is practicing, or even you're not practicing, it's expected of you to, whenever you're coming to the court, you dress down. Especially if you're appearing before the court, you cannot wear a brown suit. It's expected you will be in your black suit or a black gown and dress properly. Now, for those practicing the magistrate court, even though the dressing there, you see people have abused it, but you're supposed to dress either in a black suit or a dark blue suit. But you see people wearing maybe light blue suits, shirts that are off it, red ties and all of that. But you should be able to dress very well, because it's the way you are dressed that people will address you. So we should not take, because it's a magistrate court, you should dress anyhow. Now, as a female lawyer, it's not expected for you to wear long earrings to court. But you see people wearing long earrings, having different color of attachments, a ribbon, and still come to court. Now, if you have a long hair, it's expected that you wrap it, fold it, so that by the time you wear your wig, you should be able to be covered. You're not expected to put on a long earring that makes noise when you're walking in court or when you're addressing the court. Sometimes you see people wearing slippers to court. Yes, lawyers. That's not supposed to be so. Now, while you're in court, it's expected that you display all as mannerism in the highest in the highest, like say, benchmark. You're not supposed to be talking when the judge is sitting, or when the judge is talking. You're not supposed to, be whispering or gisting with your colleague while the court is sitting. It's disrespectful. Now, when you're addressing the court and the court gives you a tip or asks, okay, counsel, I've noted what you have said, it's polite enough for you to sit down and tell me, as the law pleases. But sometimes people want to assert it to the judge, you don't know it, I know it all, this is the way you should. Give your argument, make your argument fervently and you can make it, yes, ferociously, but at the end of the day, don't cross that boundary. Know when to sit down, learn when to stop talking, learn when to take correction. Even between lawyers, to your fellow lawyers, also learn respect. Don't talk to your other fellow lawyer, even maybe it's a junior lawyer, if you can just talk to the person anyhow. No. That's not supposed to be so. No, bickering in court. Sometimes you see people passing documents to the register when the court is sitting. That's so disrespectful. You see people, sometimes their collars are not well placed. These things ought not to be so. There is mannerism expected of us as lawyers, and because it's what people see that make them rate us high or rate us low. Please, I expect us to become better people, become better lawyers at all times, show and exhibit high level of professionalism in this practice. This is our own practice. So we should not spoil it, we should not destroy it with our own hands. This is Lawyers Info Hub. If you're new here, please subscribe to this channel. I'm here to give out tips that will help you succeed as a lawyer. Thank you.